Hello, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Veena Rama. I'm so happy that I can finally upload another video. And in this video, because I have a lot of invitations, who here has a lot of invitations? And here I want to show you some hijab tutorials for invitations, which will definitely be very comfortable to wear at invitations. Also, it's not complicated and not suffocating, because the hijab model is like formal, usually tied around the neck, and this is suffocating. And of course it will be comfortable and not hot either. And for all of you who want to be like me, you watch the video until the end, see the steps, and I won't talk much here. So I just want to give you some tutorials. And for all of you who have just visited my channel, let's subscribe to my channel Veena Rama. Leave a comment below on the next video, what hijab tutorial or haul items you want me to make or interesting ideas for my YouTube video content. And thank you very much to everyone who has watched my video and also liked, and don't forget to share the video. Come on, let's go straight to the video tutorial. Now I want to go straight to the first video tutorial. Here I wear a square hijab. And it has details like this at the bottom. This makes it beautiful and not too simple, the jab. And if you are more clear, this jab looks like there is glitter if you get closer, but it's not visible on camera. And I want to start from a very basic tutorial that is really new for invitations, and I have tips so that you stay comfortable. The first is that you wear a hair tie like this but not too big. I use a scrunchie, don't use a sendo tie because it will dip like the ponytail is bigger. I use a scrunchie, and I also wear a siput because so that the small hairs don't come out, because that will make it uncomfortable, and of course it will look uncomfortable and also messy, and definitely messy. That's why I wear a siput. And here I use premium pole material, and this will be very comfortable and not stiff at all. Now let's go straight to the first tutorial. Here one is shorter and the other is longer. And in the middle I use a jar like this. In the part, I put the small part in and just tidy it up. Like this, here it is tidy. You can see it is twisted to the back, and the front part you just tidy it up and twist it back again like this. And I tie it at the back of the neck to make it look cleaner. Like this. The rope should not be too tight because it can strangle and hurt the neck. It's definitely not comfortable. This is the look for the first one. For those of you who are familiar, yep, this front part looks really clean. And I give you a tip, don't tie the back too tight because it can strangle and hurt for sure. It won't be comfortable all day long while in your dreams. Okay, this is the first tutorial. Ta-da! What do you think? Tidy up the back and the sides. Of course you also have to iron it neatly so the results are good and optimal. This is the look on the left side. Just tidy up the front according to your face shape. Yes, let's go straight to the second tutorial. And for now, the second tutorial I want to show you is still the same. The left side is shorter, the right side is longer, and the short part is still the same. You put it under the long part. Because this long part is very easy to arrange and can be brought to the back like this. But this time I didn't bring the short part to the back. I left it in front. And you just have to tidy up the front part. This is the result. It can be like this, like twisted to the back and put it back to the front. It can be like before, just straight like that but to cover the chest. Sometimes something is visible. I've worn an inner here. I've worn an inner. And I prefer to just tie it in the front so that it looks prettier and sweeter. Well, like this, you just have to tidy it up. You can use a needle again if you're afraid to lift the neck part. Like this, just tidy it up so that the look is clearer. Okay, this is the result. What do you think? Okay, yep. I sometimes make mistakes on the front. Well, like this. Okay. Ta-da! You can see the front is neat and sweeter if there is an accent like a ribbon on the front. The sides are just neat like this. The back is still neat and also long at the back. I made one pleat so that the look is slimmer. And now I want to go to the third tutorial. Okay, this is the third look. It's still the same, I didn't change the right and left sides at all. Yes, they are longer. And I will bring it up. It is not inserted into the veil like before, but brought up like this. And you just need to use a small needle so that it is not visible, so that the look looks neater and also clean like this. This is the result. There is still some left behind. Well, it looks even neater. If for example the place is left alone. Like this. So why are you bored at one event looking like this? You can change it quickly like this. Now, let's go straight to the fourth tutorial. I have inserted the short part into the long part. And the long part is just brought to the side like this. You have to really look at it because it's sometimes a bit tricky to see. So just pull it a little like this to form a triangle at the front. Usually this is worn by those who want to be the bride. Simple hijab models that the bride doesn't want to wear too much. On the head like this, like a slayer, like a triangle shape on the neck. Here's the hook. The back so it doesn't come off, you can use a needle or brooch. So the back is really pretty. Very neat, right? Just tidy it up according to your wishes. Here are the results. Ta-da! What do you think? And those are some hijab tutorials from me for wearing a square hijab to a party. If you want to be like me, you can watch the tutorial carefully because it's quite complicated for beginners. But all of these are really easy and definitely very comfortable to wear at a party. You can also wear them to formal events. Some of the hijab tutorials are really like they're for formal events, and if you're comfortable wearing them for the afternoon, that's okay too. And I hope you really like the video. The video is also hopefully useful. And for those of you who want other videos, you can comment below. And I'm really sorry if the sound is different from the one in the video because my audio is gone. And I hope you like the video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching guys. See you on next video.